Hello there, health enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. If your passion lies in health and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have a plethora of informative content coming your way. Today we're delving into a critical topic: common diseases that affect women and how we can prevent them. We'll be exploring everything from breast cancer to heart disease, osteoporosis, and even autoimmune diseases. So are you ready to learn and grow with us? Stay tuned as we dive into this important topic. First on our list is breast cancer, a disease that affects millions of women worldwide. This condition, often symbolized by a pink ribbon, is a harsh reality that many face. Risk factors can range from age, genetics, to lifestyle choices, with symptoms manifesting as changes in breast shape, size, or skin texture, and in some cases, the presence of lumps. Early detection is crucial in combating this disease. Regular mammograms, a type of X-ray for the breasts, can reveal abnormalities even before they become palpable. Women are also encouraged to conduct self-examinations routinely. These involve feeling the breasts for any unusual lumps or changes, essentially becoming familiar with what's normal for your body. However, it's important to remember that these methods are not foolproof. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you notice any changes, regardless of your last mammogram or self-exam. Remember, early detection can save lives. Next up is heart disease, which surprisingly affects more women than men. It's a silent threat, often overlooked but quite prevalent. The risk factors include obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, each of which can creep up on us without warning. It's these silent killers that we need to be aware of and actively work to combat. Heart disease doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of unhealthy habits and lifestyle choices. But the good news is, it's never too late to start making healthier choices. Regular exercise, even if it's just a daily walk around the block, can do wonders for your heart health. In addition to exercise, a balanced diet is crucial. Consuming more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while reducing sodium and saturated fat intake can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Let's talk about osteoporosis, a disease that weakens the bones and is more common in women. Osteoporosis sneaks up on you, often without any symptoms until a bone breaks. The risk factors include age, family history, and hormonal levels, particularly lower estrogen levels seen in postmenopausal women. Being petite and thin, having a low calcium intake, and living a sedentary lifestyle can also contribute to the development of osteoporosis. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are steps you can take to prevent this silent bone thief. Regular weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, or climbing stairs can help build strong bones. Incorporating a calcium-rich diet is another crucial step towards prevention. Think dairy, leafy greens, and fish. And don't forget about vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption. Monitoring bone density as you age is also key to early detection and treatment. Remember, strong bones are essential for a healthy life. Finally, we'll address autoimmune diseases, a group of disorders where the immune system attacks the body's own cells. Autoimmune diseases are like a case of mistaken identity. Your immune system, which is meant to protect you, mistakenly begins to view your own body cells as foreign invaders and launches an attack. This internal battle can cause a wide array of health issues, with over 80 types of known autoimmune diseases. Among these, lupus and rheumatoid arthritis are two of the most common types that primarily affect women. Lupus is a systemic autoimmune disease that can impact any part of the body, while rheumatoid arthritis affects the joints and can cause painful swelling, stiffness, and in severe cases, loss of function. Symptoms can range from mild to severe and may include fatigue, joint pain, skin rashes, and fever. Unfortunately, these symptoms are often vague and can be easily overlooked, which is why early diagnosis is crucial. Risk factors can include genetic predisposition, environmental factors, and hormonal imbalances. However, the exact cause of these diseases is still not fully understood. A healthy lifestyle plays an essential role in managing these diseases. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management can help to strengthen your immune system. Regular checkups are also vital to monitor your health and detect any abnormalities early on. Taking care of your immune system is crucial. Remember, your body is a temple, treat it with care. In conclusion, women are prone to a range of diseases. As we've explored throughout the course of this video, there are several conditions that women are particularly susceptible to. We began our discussion with breast cancer, a disease that affects thousands of women worldwide every year. The key to combating this disease lies in early detection and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular self-examinations and mammograms, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can drastically reduce the risk of developing this disease. Next, we delved into heart disease, the leading cause of death among women globally. While the statistics may be daunting, the power to prevent heart disease is largely in our hands. By quitting smoking, managing stress, and incorporating a heart-healthy diet coupled with regular physical activity, we can keep our hearts in top shape. We then shifted our focus to osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them prone to fractures. Here, prevention methods include ensuring sufficient intake of calcium and vitamin D, engaging in weight-bearing exercises, and avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco use. Lastly, we discussed autoimmune diseases, which occur when the body's immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells. While these diseases are complex and diverse, general prevention strategies involve maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular checkups, and managing stress levels effectively. While the diseases we've covered today can be intimidating, it's crucial to remember that knowledge is power. Being aware of these conditions, their symptoms, and prevention strategies is the first step in safeguarding your health. These diseases may be common, but they are not inevitable. By taking proactive steps towards prevention, we can significantly reduce our risk of developing these conditions. This includes regular checkups, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy and keep watching our channel for more health tips and information. Until next time, take care.